Good morning, students. I am Ajay Dubey, your mathematics teacher, is here to teach you mathematics for class 5. Now, students, I am going to start our first chapter with the hope that you all are safe at home. Our first chapter is number system. Before starting this chapter, I am going to tell you what are the topic which I am going to discuss in this video. So topics are as follow. First one is place value, second one is face value, then Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So first I am going to tell you what is number. Numbers are a set of standard symbols, numerous that represent quantities. There are many symbols for these numbers in ancient period. Some of them are as follows: Chinese symbols, Indian symbols, Roman symbols, and Western symbol, and more, etc. But we will discuss here only Western number system that have 10 symbols. They are as follows: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Each is called digit. Now students, you know what is numeral. First of all, you are looking, I have told you know about numerals. A single digit or a group of digits representing a number is called numeral. For example, if you want to read any numerals like that 256, 3567, you want to read it 3567. These are numerals including some digits. You are looking for speaking 256, it made by 3 digits 256, and next number 3567 is found by 4 digits, that is 3, 5, 6, and 7. Now our next topic is numeration, writing. Number in word is called numeration. So students, let us discuss place value of a number. Place value of a number. What is the place value? In the system of numerations, what is the place value? If you want to get the value of any digits in any numerals, that is the place value of digits. To understand place value, it is very important for us to know two important system of numeration, that is Indian system of numeration and second one is international system of numeration. First is Indian system of numeration. It has places ones, tens, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and so on. Crore, 10 crore, and you know very good. If you want to discuss bigger digits, this is required: crore, 10 crore, and so on. Now students, international system of numerations. It have also places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billion, 10 billions, 100 billion, and so on. Now I am going to tell you how to make bigger numbers from these numbers to understand it. If I am going make in Indian system chart, so in Indian system periods are divided from right to left. First of all, I will divide in periods. First period is called ones. Periods there they have, it consists three places. First one ones, tens, hundred, and second period is thousand. It consists two places, thousands and 10,000. Third third periods is lakhs. It consists two periods, lakhs and 10 lakhs. In Indian systems, first three places, one period have three places and rest have two places. And if you want to write in standard form, you will insert comma after three digits, then after two digits, and you start placing comma from right most to left. Now I am going to discuss about international number system. In international number systems, periods are divided into ones, thousands, millions, and so on. Periods ones consist ones, tens, hundred. Thousands consist thousand, 10,000, 100,000s. Million consist million, 10 million, and 100 millions. Similarly, millions also involved. You are looking here. Each periods consist three places, but Indian systems only once have three places and rest have two places. But international systems, each periods have three places. So if you want to write in standard form to any given numerals, you will start inserting comma from rightmost to place. You count first three digits, then insert comma, then after three places you insert comma. And now students, so you learn these things, then after I will make another topics and I will discuss about place value and face value. You recall about the place value and face value. So thank you. Have a nice day, students.